Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to see if incognito mode is actually safe and what you need to do to protect your privacy as far as incognito browser is concerned. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so just like what you see on my screen right here, I've done everything I'm doing with incognito. But browsing on incognito mode does not mean that you are fully secure and you are fully safe in terms of privacy. So what you need to do is to check on your DNS and flush the DNS in order to completely delete your browse history from your incognito mode. So let me show you how. If you are using Windows PC, what you need to do after you are done with whatever you are doing with your incognito browse section, minimize this window. And once you minimize the window, then come down below right here and then simply type in CMD. So having type in your CMD, it's going to pump up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. Then take you right here. So what you need to do right here is to simply type in ipconfig/display DNS. Then hit Enter. Now you see all your browse history in incognito mode is going to be displayed right here, just like what you see right here. Okay. Now for you to delete all this particular browse history, what you need to do is to close this particular window. Once you close this window, simply come down below right here and then type in CMD again. Then go to Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Then the next command prompt should be ipconfig/flush DNS. Hit Enter. Now, immediately you click on Enter, you will see successfully flush DNS, resolver cache, and deleting browse history. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply find your incognito browse history and how you can completely delete your incognito browse history in order to maintain your privacy when you are browsing on internet. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.